my shed.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be making a quad ATV lift. I've scoured the internet and YouTube for ideas and there's nothing out there that I can find that suits my needs. So I've decided to make something of my own. This is born from necessity as I've run out of room in my shed and I need to get some space back. Please join me and like and subscribe if you like my content. Starting by making the platform out of 38 by 38 by 3mm box section. It's second-hand steel because steel here in Western Australia is very expensive. I'm using a Boss Weld MST 185, MIG and TIG and arc welder. It's one of the cheaper welders on the market, but it does what I need it to do. I keep my wire brushes in an old elastic tube. Saves me getting a stick injury when I go diving into my toolbox. Like I said, I'm no welder. So there we have the basic frame. Next I will put the brace across the middle and I'll flip it over first. Put the basic frame, put the brace across the middle and then I'll inlay the ramps and make some brackets to secure them. Okay, I've got the ramps just sitting in place. Looks pretty good. Next I'm making the actual frame to support the platform. This is also made out of 38 by 38 by 3 box section steel. What you see here is where the pivot pin for the platform will be inserted. I'm welding feet on the bottom of the uprights to give it more support on the floor. Here I'm placing one frame on top of the other, so there'll be a matched pair. I measure corner to corner to ensure the frames are square. Standing the frames up and bracing them so they can be welded to make the frame. Leveling everything up to make sure everything's square. As you can see, I've added bracing to the corners for rigidity. Here I'm making the pivot pins that will anchor the platform and enable me to raise and lower it. Test fitting the platform just to make sure everything is going to fit and work as I intended. Drilling the cleats that will eventually anchor the ramps to the platform. These will be welded in place and the ramps will be bolted to those. I'm adding spring-loaded bolts to the platform. These bolts will have spring tension on them, and when they locate they will spring into position and lock the frame. The link for these are in the description. As you can see, the spring bolt is locked into position, securing the platform in the top position. And I know I am no welder. Moving on to the winch, I've purchased a wireless 12-volt winch from eBay and I'm making the bracketry now to secure it to the platform. Link for the winch is also in the description. This is the lifting point for the platform. It will be attached to the front of the platform and the winch will be connected. to it to lift the platform up and down. Just testing the winch to make sure everything's working and making sure that my wiring is correct. The winch is 12 volt wireless, so there's no wires to get tangled with the remote controls. Everything seems to be working as it should. I've made the winch bracket to be removable, as I need the winch to be able to lift the platform up and down, as well as pull the quad bike onto and off of the platform. First test of the platform without the quad bike on it. As you can see, the winch is in the lifting position to raise or lower the platform. And the spring bolts click into position as required. I've now moved the winch to the back of the frame, and I'm using it to pull the quad bike up onto the platform. I'll make proper connections for the electrics at a later date. But for now, the jumper pack is doing the job. And there you have it, folks. My brainchild is a reality. I'm more than happy with what I've achieved. It does exactly what I set out for it to do. I now have space back in my workshop for other projects. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. And I'll see you on the next one.